Typing out calculations by hand and manually fixing messy text in Excel is a guaranteed way to waste hours of your workday. If you find yourself repeatedly pulling up a calculator to add numbers in a spreadsheet, you are working harder than you need to. Watch how these scattered geometric blocks snap into a perfectly aligned grid. That is the exact organization we will bring to your data today. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a student marksheet that calculates itself from scratch using exactly 10 essential formulas. To follow along, all you need is a blank Excel sheet. Type out 5 to 10 names down the left side and create a few blank columns next to them for subjects like math, science, and English. By mastering these 10 specific basics, you secure the foundation required to eliminate manual data entry from your workflow. Let's get started. Every formula in Excel must start exactly like this, with an equal sign. To find our total marks, we type equals, then SUM, and open a bracket. From there, you simply select the entire row of subject marks you want to add together. Close the bracket and press Enter. This split-screen comparison shows why typing hard-coded numbers is a trap. A static equation will not adapt when you try to copy it, but by using the sum formula, your totals update dynamically. To apply this math to everyone, click the small green fill handle square at the bottom right and drag it downward. This exact same highlight and drag logic applies to our next two formulas. If you want to find the highest score across all subjects, use the max formula. To find the lowest score, use the min formula. Select the range, press Enter, and drag down. Combining simple range formulas with the fill handle turns a repetitive 10-minute mathematical chore into a 2-second task. Now, to practice these formulas, you need data. But typing dozens of fake numbers one by one defeats the entire purpose of automating your workflow. On screen, we have a highlighted empty grid. In the top left cell, type equals rand between, followed by a minimum of 35 and a maximum of 98. This tells Excel to pick random test scores. Before you finish, do not just press Enter. Hold down Control, then press Enter. This shortcut instantly bulk fills the entire highlighted area with varying numbers. There is a catch. These are volatile numbers, meaning they will randomly recalculate every time you edit anywhere else. To stop them from changing, highlight the grid and press Ctrl-C to copy. Then press Ctrl-Alt-V to open the Paste Special menu. Select the Values option and click OK. Those random formulas are now permanently locked as static numbers. Mastering this data generation trick allows you to instantly build safe, disposable sandboxes. You can test new formulas anytime you want without risking your real work. Excel can also handle specific mathematical transformations. For example, if you need standard numbers converted into Roman numerals, like first, second, and third, simply type equals Roman, select your number, and hit Enter. This logic flowchart breaks down how we handle exponents. When we route an input number like 4 into the power formula and set the power argument to 2, Excel multiplies it by itself, outputting a 16. To calculate a cube, adjust the argument. The 2 changes to a 3, and the output instantly shifts to 64. To reverse this math, use the SQRT formula. Point it at a squared number like 16, and it strips it back down to its base root of 4. Excel acts as an automated calculator. By setting up the logic once, you can run these mathematical operations across thousands of rows instantly. In the real world, you will frequently receive data with sloppy, inconsistent capitalization, especially client lists or student names. You can force all text into capital letters using the upper formula, or push everything into lowercase letters using the lower formula. Take a look at this text filter diagram. When a messy string of text with random capital letters passes through the proper formula, it fixes the spacing and ensures only the first letter of each word is capitalized. Once you have a clean column of names, use the same trick from earlier. Copy your newly formatted column and use Paste Special as values to permanently overwrite the messy original data. Relying on text formulas eliminates human error and ensures a standardized set of data in seconds, no matter how chaotic the raw inputs look. Take a look at the final mark sheet. The student names are formatted correctly, the test data is locked into place, and the totals, highest marks, and lowest marks are calculating on their own. In just a few minutes, you have successfully transformed a blank sheet into a functional spreadsheet using only 10 basic functions. These 10 formulas are the building blocks you'll use in nearly every project. Mastering this logic is the necessary first step before moving on to more advanced tools like pivot tables or VLOOKUP. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.